boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's five-time best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. Thank you very, very much, my friends. The Scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. My friends, I'm an author. I'm a researcher. I put it in black and white so you'll have it for days, weeks, months, and years to come. My friends, we took a shellacking out there today. My friends, a lot of the stocks, some were worse off than others in the uranium sector. Yeah, there was some damage done, technical damage done to some of the charts. We'll take a look at the charts here in a second, my friends. But this is just, personally to me, this is just the usual. This is the way it goes. We test and retest 200-day moving averages in a bull market. That's what stocks do. And it's nothing I don't believe to be afraid of. I know there's some people with some anxiety out there, and it's maybe a little rough for you, but it's not a big thing. This is what happens. And, they seem to do it in unison. If they break through their 200-day moving averages and we go, all the stocks are breaking down, then we have an issue. Right now, I see very little, should I say, weakness in the African uranium super trade stocks. So it's sort of hit and miss here with some of these stocks. But it is what it is, my friends. My friends, if you're on the Scoop team and one of the private students, my friends, you should have your newsletter there. And I went over in your newsletter some of those prices and some of the 200-day moving averages, where it is and where the stock is. So this is no surprise to you if you looked at your newsletter. Also, we had a discovery, and this stock is in the new book, which will be coming out soon. And you will be the first to get those stocks, guys. There's going to be 20, 25 stocks or so. But when the baby knockouts, when I'm writing a book or putting together some research, and one of the companies has like a discovery like this, I have to get it out to you. We wait till the book comes out. It's not a baby knockout anymore. And we like for these baby knockouts to be like, yeah, there's my call. We like for these baby knockouts to be like 25, 30 cents or so. This goes back to the dot-coms, with AOL and Cisco systems and all that stuff. These stocks were 10, 15, 20, 25 cents. And that's where we like to get in. A lot of people don't know. Microsoft, when I was in high school, my friends and some family members were buying Microsoft then. It was a quarter. Microsoft was a baby knockout, and it's good to get these things early. And especially the area that we're focusing on right now, we're way ahead of the curve. I'm not talking about uranium. I'm talking about the other area, and I'll disclose that to you after my private students have a few weeks of accumulating these stocks. But that little area, guys, is going to be massive. It's going to be huge. So we just go from, being early. That's what I learned early on in this game from James Dines and Doug Casey. They were like mentors to me. Early on, these guys were just so far ahead of the curve. I had one of my subscribers said, Mickey D, he said, you're light years ahead of, those guys back in the day, they were light years ahead, introducing me to the internet, and these dot-com stocks, and going from there, it doesn't matter, real estate to the first big uranium bull market there in 2004 and 5 and 6 and 7, and Doug Casey, and what are you crying? They're down, you buy more, that's the deal, you guys. But look in your newsletters there. You'll have some updates, good information. One thing that I didn't do, I'll talk about it a little later I'll discuss it with it. There's nothing big, guys. But that information is there for you. And as stocks, go up and down, we'll see how it goes. You guys will get the picture, though. I'll give you an idea here, and you'll be able to see how this goes here. Hold on just 1 second. Let me set this up for you. Okay, let's take a look here. You guys can see the 200-day moving average here. This is base load energy. Base load is coming right down to the 200-day moving average right there. Take a look at another. Take a look at Encore. Look at Encore. Encore has gone right through the 200-day moving average, the all-important 200-day moving average. Encore is crashing through. Now, will it come back? Will the 200-day act as resistance? Well, it may on its way up here. We don't like to see that. A lot of technicians out there, I know you don't like to see stocks crashing through their 200-day moving average, but that happens. But they have the ability to come back in a bull market. And let's face it, guys, this is the Sprott market. This is not the spot market. It's what Sprott does that is going to make this market go. I'll tell you, no doubt. Look at Next Gen, 200-day moving average here. Next Gen was holding up, and now Next Gen has broken its 200-day here. So we'll see if it bounces back up, and we'll see what the 200-day does there. Next Gen, here's my phone call there. What about Cameco? Cameco down 4.3% today. It is close to its 200-day moving average, about maybe $1 or so away. That's Cameco. What about Uranium Energy, UEC? It's close. Looks like it maybe even be turning up here. UEC, maybe after hours or so today, it may be turning up. Who knows? We'll see. What about Energy Fuels? Look at Energy Fuels, right? Just going just a little bit below its 200-day moving average, just a little bit below there. What about good old favorite baby knockout Denison? It'll be the last one, guys. It's below its 200-day moving average also, just below here, roughly 9 cents or so. We'll see how they act tomorrow. Will they go down? Will Denison go down further? It may be a buying opportunity. If you're not already in, you can reevaluate and accumulate, and you will be definitely something for you to take a look at. Okay? Once again, you that are private students, my friends, the newsletter is in your mailbox. Please take a look at it. Get that information. I'll be getting you additional information for the new trade that we will be going into. It's very, very exciting. It's going to be a great trade, guys. But we'll have the book out and we'll have the other information out. Of course, you will get that information before anyone. You get the baby knockouts early. Like I said, the one which is at the bottom of your newsletter, the last stock written about, that was because they had a discovery, and that discovery is, when it comes to a baby knockout having a discovery, and we like to get these baby knockouts at usually around 25 cents or below, 25, 35 cents, 10 cents, 5. We've gotten them all in that area. Going back, my friends, to the .coms, like I said, we've gotten them in that area. So those we want to get to you early. If you want to be a member also of the private Scoop private student team, my friends, you can just follow that link up there, the email in the description area, and that information, we'll get that information to you. Take care. God bless you. Take care. Have a great trading rest of the week, my friends. Take care. Oh, also, strip. Yeah, I got to address this. My team got beat. Harmel, my team got beat. Okay, that's all I have to say about it. My team got whooped. So that is what it is. The Raiders, we fired the general manager. We're going to regroup, and we'll be back next year. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family.